How to remove and change cover image from an MP3 audio file using VLC media player. So if you want to remove and change cover image from an MP3 audio file using a VLC media player, then first you need to open up the MP3 file. So go with your file explorer, and once you find your audio file, you need to right click on it and then go with open with and select VLC media player. And once you've selected, you'll have your audio right here. So you need to go with tools, which will be in the top left, and then go with media information. Once you've selected media information, as you can see here on the bottom right, you will have the image. You need to just right click on the image, and then you can either download the cover art or add cover art from a file. So click on that and then go and select any picture that you're comfortable with. After selecting the picture, you need to go with open and it will be changed. So that's how you can change your cover image from an MP3 audio file using a VLC media player. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.